Welcome to the Bramasol SAP S4HANA Cloud Demo. This demonstration is designed to provide an overview of general SAP S4HANA Cloud capabilities that demonstrate the Fiori user experience by focusing on the following areas: navigation and personalization. By the end of this demo, you will be able to see how SAP S4HANA Cloud can support your business growth through improving efficiency by focusing on business tasks with the use of role-based applications. Most ERP systems are menu-driven, where the user has to know the menu structure to know where to go to do the next step. With the Fiori interface, the user is able to personalize the groups and apps in the Launchpad so that there is a flow to his or her work process, thus making the user more productive and efficient. The following will show how to navigate the Fiori interface in the S4HANA Cloud system. I will show you how to modify your user settings in order to make your job easier and more efficient every time you use the system.